Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing great. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add product reviews in Shopify store, and I'm going to share with you my top secret product review apps that I use for my client's website. And these apps are different from other apps available on Shopify store because they not only shows the reviews on your store but also enhance your SEO for your products. So let me first show you how they do it, and then we will talk about which plugins, which apps are best for your store, and how to install them. So without further delay, let's get started. Now, if you search for review app on the Shopify App Store, you will find a lot of apps right here. But you have to choose the ones that not only show the best reviews, but also does not slow down your website. Like it keeps the performance maximum, use the best practices, and also adds the rich results or schema markups for the products and the merchant listing. So I saw that this app right here, judge.me, has the maximum reviews right here, and by default most people will go for this app. But what I found is that this does not add schema markups to your product for reviews. All right, I have tested it, and let me show you how to do it yourself. So let's go to this app right away, and you have to apply this for any plugin you are adding, which dedicates something towards the search engine optimization. So go to the demo store and open up any product. Okay, so we have these products. This is a demo store. Let's open up this product right here and see what it looks like on the Google. So a quick tip, you can look for what pages are indexed on the Google by using this command here, cite, then this sign here, and then your link. Okay, then you can see what the link looks like on Google. You can also see what the entire website looks like, what pages are indexed on Google. Okay, just put your domain here and you will see all the pages that Google has listed for your website. So it's a pretty cool trick. But anyway, if you look at this product listing on the Google search, you will find that there's no rich results here, and that's because this app does not add the SEO snippet or rich result on this product. All right, but if we go to some other apps like this one, this is one of my favorite apps, the free one that I have found, Yotpo. I hope I spelled it correct. But if I go here and copy any product and put it here, you'll find that it shows ratings as well. So it has 0 out of 5 star ratings. Let's open some other product. And put it here. Okay, so you can see that it also shows the ratings here. The same goes for this app as well. This is Okendo. It also adds the rich results in your product. So if I copy any product right here, and if we see it or anyone sees it on Google search results, they will see this result right here. So not only they will see the product pricing, but also the ratings, and this greatly enhances your sales. So it's really important that you not only consider the reviews but also the SEO aspect of that app. So that is why I recommend these two apps right here. They have the free as well as the paid plans, but if you are getting more than 50 monthly orders, I believe you can easily pay for them, right? So this, for example, have 50 orders per month. The same goes for this one as well. Now let me show you first of all what is rich results to further explain what is happening. So you can go to this link. I will drop it in the description, and you can see the rich results on the Google. Okay, so it will test the URL first, and it will show you all the schema markups your web page has. So what it does is that it tells Google about the information, the most important information on the web page. All right, so for example, it gives Google the information about product snippets, merchant listing, and the review snippet. So Google used this review snippet to show the results about the reviews in its search results. This plugin, however, which has the maximum reviews, does not show similar results. So if we go back and run the test, you will see that it does not show any review listing, any review rich results, and that is why Google does not show any rich results for this product. Well, they can show it if the product is very popular and there are lots of reviews. If by chance if Google picks up the reviews, it's good, but in these cases Google will always pick up the reviews. So that is why although this plugin has the most reviews, I will personally recommend installing any of these two apps right here. You can check any other apps as well, but you have to make sure to check that they add rich results, schema markups in your product. Okay, because I have seen it in practical and they are really good for sales. All right, so that's for the testing. So yeah, personally I will recommend these two apps, the Yotpo and the Okendo, and you can get 50 orders per month. This one has 14 days free trial, and this one has a free plan as well, so you can add them in your store and get the benefit of search engine optimization for free. Now to install the apps, just go to the backend and go to the app that you want to install. Right, so you can search the product right here, app, and install it from here. Now Shopify will authenticate your website, your store, and install it itself. Then you can change the settings, all the reviews and everything from the backend. So depending on the preference that you want, you can choose any of these plugins. I will personally recommend these two. There are no affiliate links involved. These are my pure reviews based on different testing that I have done. They are good for performance as well as SEO. So yeah, just go here and install it, and you will have the reviews added to your store. Another thing I like about these plugins is that they also show the reviews in the collection. The plugin that we tested before, Just.me, on the demo store at least, that didn't have that thing. So yeah, I will personally recommend these two apps. Just go to your app, search for the app that you want to install, and simply install it and authenticate it, and you are good to go. So yeah, that's how you add the review app to your Shopify store. I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching.